Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be trying out this new to me product. It is from HYDRACOL, and this is a very unique product. So it claims that it can turn any regular nail polish into gel polish. So I'm very intrigued by this, and I definitely am excited to try it. I'm a little skeptical. I'm just going to throw that out there. Just because I've never seen anything like this at all. So this is what the packaging looks like, and then the product itself is in this dark bottle to protect it from any UV light, and it also has a dropper in it. So let's go ahead and test out this product. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and apply base gel coat to all my nails, and you will need a UV light to use this product. When you are doing any kind of gel mani, it is best to apply a base coat first to help that gel polish pigment adhere to the nail well, and then you'll also have better results with long-lasting longevity and chipping. So now that we have that base coat on, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, now to the fun part. So here is the nail polish that I'm going to be using here. So this is just my regular old nail polish that I have never used yet. It is from Revel. You can use any nail polish you want. You can use anything from the drugstore, anything that you have laying around in your bathroom cupboard. So you put 50-50 of the product together. So 50% of your nail polish and then 50% of the gel product, and then you mix it all together. So super awesome and kind of fun to mix, something different. And this little palette that I'm using right here, I have it in my Amazon shop. It's just a nail art palette, and then after you are done using the product, it can easily be wiped up. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the gel polish concoction that we made to each nail, and then we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. And I can already tell you from applying just on these two fingers alone here that the consistency is the same as pretty much a gel polish. It's just a little bit of a thinner consistency, and it is applying really well. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and then I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and finish this mani with our favorite top coat. So I did end up doing 3 layers of the gel polish. I just picked a really sheer color, so I wanted that color pigmentation just a little bit brighter and a little bit more sparklier, so I went in with that third color. So you can see here when I am applying my top coat that I am making sure I cap that free edge. This will ensure that it will prevent any chipping, and it will help the longevity of this mani. So I can already tell you that I'm super shocked by this product. I really didn't know what to expect. I thought maybe it was too good to be true type of thing, turning any nail polish that you have into gel. But I honestly tell you that it truly did work, and it feels just like gel polish on my nails. Like, I can't even tell that this is not gel polish, that it was a nail polish that we turned into gel. Which, by the way, that was a super fun process. But I really liked how this mani turned out, and I am super impressed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll link everything below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!